In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Slack subscription plan. Basically, Slack offers quite a number of plans, among them Pro, Business Plus, and Enterprise plans. So if you wish to switch to any of these, then let me show you how you can do it in Slack. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Slack workspace and then click on this workspace name up here. In this drop down arrow, you should be able to see this option called Tools and Settings. Under this, go ahead and choose Workspace Settings under Settings, and this will take you to a new tab, and you should be able to see a sidebar menu here. Scroll down until you see this option called Billing. If you click on it, this will take you to the billing page, and to change your plan, you should be able to see plans here. Click on this, and you can now go ahead and switch between these plans. So if you are on a Pro plan and you want a business plan, you can go ahead and click on it. And here you can now go ahead and click on I'm ready to upgrade to switch to this plan. You may need to make a payment for you to be able to access this upgraded plan. So go ahead and make the necessary payments and you'll be automatically be upgraded to that higher plan. If you are on a higher plan, you can also lower your plan by choosing any of these plans. So that's how you can change your subscription plan in Slack. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.